What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to install this 2012 to 2016 Honda CRV cargo cover into your 97 to 2001 CRV. Now, it's not going to fit perfect. It's a little experimental, as you can see. It wasn't made for this year model, but it does the job and it actually fits pretty good. Throughout the years, there were several options of different cargo covers for this generation CRV, but the parts are really hard to find. Sometimes the brackets are missing. Now, if you don't want to spend too much money on a cargo cover, then this is the option for you. It's going to cost you about $50, sometimes more if you want to get an OEM one. The one I got was actually a replica one that I found on eBay. It was like $48. Usually all the good stuff's already been stripped out of these CRVs at the junkyard, but you know, these parts, no one ever thinks about them, so they're always there and you can find plenty of them, and they're cheap. So what we actually need for this project is it's a middle bracket. It's on the tailgate. I don't know the name of it, but this is what it looks like. If you open your door, you'll actually see it on there. And then we also need the other part that closes into it. So guys, you're gonna have to head down to the junkyard, take some tools with you, because you're gonna have to go to your local LKQ or any other junkyard you have in your town, and you're gonna need this part right here. You're gonna need just one because we're gonna split it in two. I used an air grinder to cut the metal part on the back of it, and then I used a bow saw to cut the rubber part in the front, just so it comes out nice and even. But you can use any tool you have at your disposal. So this is how I did it, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So I didn't actually come up with this idea of installing this cargo cover in the first place. It's been a community effort through different members using different brackets. Somebody came up with this idea, they installed this cargo cover, but then somebody else by the name of Manny Guire, he actually improved it by coming up with this idea of using these brackets. So thank you, Manny. So guys, if you guys have any other ideas of what else you can use as brackets, something that works maybe a little bit better in this, leave a comment down below and let us know, because we're all interested. This is a really cheap mod for 50 bucks, and maybe we can perfect it as a community and make it even better. But for now, these are probably the best method with these brackets. So give it a try and let me know on the comment down below if you actually did it or not, if it worked out for you. Now, when you're installing these brackets, you kind of want to recline the seats back first, because the deployment of the cargo cover can only go so far. Once you deploy it, you want to mount those brackets right at the split of the trim. I actually ended up drilling different holes, trying to figure out the different spots where I could mount it. I wasn't too worried about making more holes because my side panel is already cracked on one side, and I actually have replacements that I got from the junkyard. They're in my garage. I'm going to be vinyl wrapping those with Alcantara. That's for another video. So for now, this is how I did it. Well, there you have it, guys. Hopefully it's easy enough. Let me know down in the comment section if you're going to be doing this to your CRV. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Let me know down in the comment section if there's any other ideas that you have that could improve this installation. So I'd like to hear about it. So until next time, you guys take care.